Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another coding challenge. Okay, the coding challenge for today's video is slug generator. Given a string, return a URL friendly version of the string using the following constraints. So the constraints or conditions are all letters should be lowercase, all characters that are not letters, numbers, or spaces should be removed. All spaces should be replaced with the URL encoded space, that is %20, and then consecutive spaces should be replaced with a single %20. So the return string should not have leading or trailing, that is URL encoded space code. Okay, these are the conditions for this challenge. So now we should provide solution for this challenge. So let's get into the solution first. Okay, for that, first thing is I'm going to start with the last condition. That is, the return string should not have any leading or trailing URL encoded space code. Okay, for that, what I'm going to do here is return, okay, str dot, I'm going to use trim method here. Okay, so this trim method removes white space from both ends of the string. Okay, that's what the last condition also. The last condition is the return string should not have any leading or trailing URL encoded space code. That means there shouldn't be any space of the string. Now after that, the next thing is we should, okay, all characters that are not letters, numbers or spaces should be removed. Okay, for this I'm going to use a replace method. Replace method for which I'm going to pass regular expression to remove all characters that are not letters, numbers or spaces. Okay, for that let me use replace, for which I'm going to pass regular expression. Okay, the regular expression is, first thing is we should replace all characters that are not letters, numbers or spaces with empty string. Okay, for that I'm going to use caret symbol, that is this caret symbol inside square brackets means not. Okay, now what I'm going to replace here is I should leave characters either caps or small. Okay, I don't want to touch characters, even I don't want to touch numbers, that is 0 9. Okay, and then I don't want to even touch spaces in the string. Okay, I should replace only the characters that are not letters, numbers or spaces. Okay, for that reason I am taking this regular expression, search globally and then replace with empty string. Okay, this going to this expression, that is this replace method is going to replace all non letters, numbers and spaces with empty string. Okay, for example, let me let me show you the example here. Let's say, okay, let's say if you have hello world. Okay, hello world. If the string is like this, once we apply this replace method, the output will be like this, hello world. Why? Because except letters, numbers and spaces will be replaced with empty string. So here @ symbol and then exclamation mark symbol will be replaced with empty string. Okay. Now let's go to another condition here. The thing is, so after that, what we are going to do is, now if you remember here, all spaces should be replaced with the URL encoded space code. Okay, that is one thing. At the same time, we have consecutive spaces should be replaced with a single URL encoded space code. Okay, now for that, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use again the replace method, and then I'm going to pass here the regular expression, that is \s plus, okay, and then search globally, replace with %20, that is URL encoded space code. Okay, so here this method is going to search for all spaces, and then all spaces one or more, the plus indicates one or more occurrences. Okay, and then replace with URL encoded space code. Now next condition is, we are done with this, we are done with these two, we are done with the last one as well. Okay, after trim, after replacing all non-characters, non-letters, numbers, spaces, and then replacing spaces with URL encoded space code, we should return our string. But before that, we have to convert into lowercase, because all letters should be lowercase. That is the one of the conditions. Okay, for that method is to lower case. Okay, now this method, now this entire method will return a string. Okay, will return a string that is URL friendly version of the string. Okay, where all letters are converted into lowercase, all characters that are not letters, numbers or spaces should be removed, all spaces replaced with URL encoded space code, and the return string should not have any leading or trailing spaces. Okay, now let's see whether our solution works or not by running the test cases here. If you see the test cases, the first one is simply hello world, second test case is hello space world and then exclamation mark, third test case is hello hyphen world and then space. So like this, we have a different test cases. Now let's see our test case works or not. Perfect. Our solution is working as expected, because all of our test cases passed. Okay, that's about the challenge. Okay, where we discussed how to provide a URL friendly version of the string. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like and share with your friends. Please don't forget to subscribe for more technical videos. Thank you for watching.